Josh Bratcher from Facebook said, "Okay, man, hear me out. Blackberry Bird Dog and the OG Cinnamon Hot Damn. Half and half shot. Now, the only hot damn I have is a 100 proof. The normal one, I believe, is 30 proof. We're going to have to do it with the 100 proof because this stuff ain't easy to find around here no more." Bird Dog Blackberry. Smells like the 90s. Dekuyper Hot Damn. Proof, but honestly tastes better than Fireball. Alright, he says I'm going to thank him later. Cheers. Well, goddamn. Trying to figure out what the hell that tastes like. I get the cinnamon, but it's another one of those things where it's a familiar flavor, but I can't put my finger on it. Good though. Definitely burns a little bit going down with that 100 proof hot damn.